I'm Bill and I'm a solicitor in the private client department of Allowances. I'm often asked by clients what are the available inheritance tax allowances. Each individual has an inheritance tax allowance which is known as their nil rate band, which is currently set at £325,000. In addition to the nil rate band, there is what's known as the residence nil rate band, which is an additional allowance that applies to property. The residence nil rate band is currently set at £175,000, meaning each individual has a potential available inheritance tax allowance of £500,000. Since 2007, it is possible for the nil rate bands to be transferred between spouses. By way of example, if a husband and wife left everything to each other on the first death and then everything to their children on the second death, on the first death everything would pass under the spousal exemption, meaning there are no inheritance tax considerations and no inheritance tax to pay. On the second death, the nil rate bands would be doubled, meaning you would have a nil rate band of £650,000 and a residence nil rate band of £350,000. That means that the potential allowance is actually £1 million. There are a number of conditions for the residence nil rate band to apply. You have to have what's called a qualifying residential interest in a property. Broadly, that means you own the property and you have lived there at some point. You also have to be leaving the property to direct descendants. That could be your children, but that definition also extends to stepchildren. As a general rule, the value of the estate in excess of the available nil rate bands will be charged at a rate of 40%. Each case is different and every client's individual circumstances will present their own tax planning opportunities. The best thing to do is make an appointment with myself or another solicitor in the private client department. We can discuss your circumstances and advise you on any tax planning opportunities, as well as your current inheritance tax exposure.